Hi, this is Shamin here. I'm from EducatorSharmin YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter I have, so you can follow me there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you chloroplast. Alright, so let's get started. So chloroplast in plants, that is photosynthesis takes place in, where is it? That is chloroplast. So which contains the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, that is the green color pigments. You can find from where? Plant cells, not animal cells. All right, you must remember that. That is chlorophyll you can find plant because it's green color. It's a green color. So chloroplast are organelles. This is organelles and it contains, that is the conduct photosynthesis where the that is the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll captures the energy from where? Sunlight. All right. So convert it and store it in the energy storage molecules, that is ATP and NADPH. What is it? ATP and NADPH. So while freeing the oxygen. So oxygen from where? Oxygen from water in plants. All right. So known as, that is the, so chloroplast is a type of organelles. This is a type of organelle and that is the organelle known as plastid. So we also know that we have three types of plastid. Number one, that is chloroplast. Number two, that is chromoplast and leucoplast. But chromoplast and leucoplast, do not carry out photosynthesis because there is no green color pigment, chlorophyll. There is no chlorophyll. Let's talk about the structure. What's the structure of chlorophyll, chloroplast? So it has two layers, two membranes. All right, that is first one, that is outer, that is outside, outer layer and inner layer, or you can say outer membrane and inner membrane. Inner membrane, that is inside the membrane. All right, so membrane system is highly organized and it has two membranes. How many membranes here? Two membranes, and it consists of fluid like sacs called, that is thylakoids, which flat and disc like structure that stack up like a piles of coin. If you keep some coin piles up, so it's look like this one. All right, so many layers deep and forming structure called grana is called grana, and it has their own protein synthesing machinery including 70S ribosome and DNA. Two things, ribosome and DNA. DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. What's that? DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. You must remember that. So photosynthetic pigment and electron, photosynthetic pigment and electron, that is carries needed for light in light dependent stage of photosynthesis, and it can charge their orientation within the cell in order to receive the maximum amount of sunlight. Alright, so you see the structure. It has two layers, inner layer, outer layer. It has a grana, it has a stroma. Alright, so now let's talk about the function. What's the function? Why need chloroplast for plant? So main function of chloroplast is to carry out photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process of making food for plant using sunlight, water, and this is the process of making food. So light dependent stage, that is the first stage. What's the first stage? That is light dependent stage. So during the first stage, photosynthesis, that is the light energy is absorbed by photosynthetic pigment, that is chlorophyll, that is the green color. So it's a pigment and chlorophyll which manufacture ATP from where? ADP. ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. ADP, that is adenosine diphosphate. You must remember that. So it is used as a fuel. It's a use like a fuel for plant, not animal. You must remember that. So to make is oxidized to provide the energy to make ATP, and another, that is the second stage, that is the independent stage, light independent stage. Second stage, what's the second stage? Light independent stage. So during the second stage, photosynthesis uses the energy and reducing power generated during the first stage and convert carbon dioxide to sugar. Carbon dioxide to sugar, yes. So this is a Kelvin cycle, and in the, where is it happen? Where it take place? This is a stroma. Kelvin cycle where happen? Stroma. You must remember that. Alright, so you now you know the structure, the function. Now I'm going to ask you one question, that is, what are the functions of plastid? What are the functions of plastid? Pause the video, try to figure out and come back again. So plastid is an important organelle for a plant cell to produce and store food and cause the appealing and colorful appearance of flowers, leaves, fruits of a plant. Alright, so this is a plastid. So grana, that is the grana, this one. So grana of a plastid capture solar energy and convert it into chemical energy. So guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. I know you have a textbooks, you go through your textbooks and find out some exercise, some question answer. It can help you to understand the topics more, and read the book, see the diagram and draw it and make a note, write down. And if you find it difficult, leave a comments. I love to hear from you. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video, and good luck your biology test. Thank you so much.